Okay, so now we've gotten to the step to calculate the actual angle of the probe. Now we've turned the block around so that we should find the higher or any higher than where it's moving right now. Okay, so we can see here. So the Y part is the distance from the farthest part of the probe to the farthest part of the calibration block, and the X part is the farthest distance from the 100 degree to the end of the probe to the direction it's facing. The direction we are facing is the part where the circle is around. Okay, now we can get moving to the calculation part. So now it's written that y equals to 125. It's in millimeter, so when we measure it in the real block, it's actually 12.5. And the x is the excitant, it's 8 millimeter, and we've got the formula that the tangent of alpha is equals to y plus x minus 35 over 70. With the calculation, we can get the tangent of alpha equals to 1.4, and the alpha, the degree of which the probe is facing to the circle, is the arctan of 1.4, and we can get that alpha is 60.5 degree, which is acceptable to the calibration because the tolerance of the calibration is 2 degree. Thank you very much. That's all from us.